How do I set up email sending name and address? First, navigate to the System area in the Encore menu. Then, go into the Email section. When sending an email from Encore, you are able to set the from name so your clients are able to see who the message is from. We recommend entering your business name here. The from email address needs to be an email address that you check often, as clients that receive an email sent from Encore will reply to the email you choose to enter here. Click Save once done. After you have saved this information, a verification email will be sent to the email address you have entered. Check your inbox for this email. It may take a few minutes to show up. If you do not receive an email after a few minutes, please check your spam or junk folder. Once you receive the email, open it and click the link to verify your email. After verifying your email, navigate back to the System menu option and go to the Email section. You should see the email verification status has changed to Success. If it doesn't, try refreshing the page or log out and back in. We have now set up the email sending name and address. Thanks for watching.